Good morning, all of you, my dear friends and teacher and student. All the good morning. Dhanvete National College Nagpur, in collaboration with Vidarbha Geographical Association Nagpur University, is organizing National Conference on Sustainable Development and Environmental in the current era. Uh, the conference will be online and participant Zoom apps. My paper presentation, YouTube video, my paper title, Role of Information Technology and Environmental Human Life. My, my name is Assistant Professor Ganesh M. Kapse, late NP Vaghai Art, Commerce and Science College, Lakni, District Bhandara. My paper abstract: when you talk about information technology, it has a significant hand in improving the status in the fields of environmental, education and human health as compared to that of the other respective areas such as business, economics, and culturals of politics. The emerging growth of the internet service and facilities, geographic information system of GIS, and the data that gets transmitted through satellites etc. have generated a higher affluence of the updated information on several aspects of the environment as well as health. When you look for the variety of software in the market, you will come across a number of them that created for the health and environment. Study in better way, they are quite user friendly and currently help a learner to understand the respective subject with ease. कीबोर्ड आहे एनवायरमेंट GPS रिमोट सेन्सिंग GIS. Introduction. Characterization of land resource and generation of geographical information of land resource and crop production at village administrative unit in unable to access human carrying capacity. However, in many cases, it is difficult for the local administration to implement the resource management plan at a time in the enter Tahsil, hence prioritization, Dongar, it all 2013, Bhagat RS and Bisen DK 2015, Pudnar NS 2015, Zholkar RB and Bhagat VS 2015 plays a key role in identification of critical area based on the assessment of human carrying capacity in management of land resource on sustainable basis. Geographical modeling in GIS enables to integrate the biblo- uh, biological resource, crop production, and composition scenarios. In the study, an attempt has been made to duplicate distinct biological resource units, assessment of human carrying capacity, and to preposition the areas through geographical modeling in GIS of sustainable management of land resource in Tiroda Tehsil of Gondia district, Eastern Maharashtra, India. Land is Kudnar. Database of the environmental system. Database on the environmental system. Understanding the meaning of database is super easy, and stratification, it is a collection of connected data on some subjects. It comes in a computerization from, and you can retrieve the data at any hour of the day whenever needed. The information of database can easily extract in a computer. When it comes to comprehensive database, things that include in it are wildlife database, forest cover database, and conservation database, etc. The database are also available for some diseases which include malaria, fever, HIV, AIDS, etc. National Management Information System, Environmental Information System, Remote Sensing and Geographical Information System, Geographical Information System, and the World Wide Web. Environmental Information System. According to Ministry of Environment and Forest, the Government of India has developed an information system known as Ecological Information System, or ENVIS. It has its headquarters based in Delhi and has its branches all over India. ENVIS established back in 1982, and since then its main aim is to provide environmental information to all the decision makers, engineers, scientists, and policy planners that reside in all over the country. Bisen DK and Kutnar NS 2019. The centers of ENVIS implement the work hours in generating a new network for database in areas such as clean technology, pollution control, biodiversity, wildlife, environmental management, remote sensing, and renewable energy. Dr. Kudnar. National Management Information System. According to NMIS of the Department of Science and Technology, it can understand that it has a database complication that based on research and development projects as well as information that is related to research scientists and personal are included. Geographical Information System GIS. GIS or Geographical Information System considered as one of the most effective tool in the entries environmental management topic. It is a process of superimposing different thematic maps with the help of digital data on large scale of interconnected accepts the different thematic maps that contain digital information and database on various elements such as forest, land, water, resource, soil, types, cropland, industrial growth, human settlement, and industrial growth, etc., are placed in a layered process in the computer with the help of software. Dr. Kudnar. GIS also help in identification some daily and chronic disease that come for the infect area which are very much prone to vector borne disease such as cytomyces, malaria, etc. based on the geographical map of that area. There are some distribution information center DICS in India that are interrelated with each other and with the central information network getting its access to the international database. They are also capable of availing information and fact about the atmospheric phenomena such as the upcoming monsoon, inversion phenomena, the develop of the zone layer songs, etc. It is the reason why remote sensing and GIS play a significant role in resource mapping, management, planning, environmental conservation, and environmental impact assessment as well. Gadekar Deepak. Remote sensing and geographical information system. The process of remote sensing that accepts through satellite can be used to get through the outgoing alternation in the environment as well as predict the natural hazard before time such as flood, droughts, volcanoes, earthquake, starvation, etc. It is one of the most useful techniques in exploring the availability of minor dropseed, curd, oil, and locating other geothermal powerhouse. My paper conclusions. The field of inform the field of information technology has been increasing rapidly with an explosion of some application and new avenues that are opening, all with an active role in the field of education, planning and management of health and environmental information technology has been playing a significant role in the areas of biometric, genome sequencing, genes engineering, online medical transportation, managing the DTA database for the betterment of human health, bio- biotechnology, etc. The field also helps in identify some daily and chronic diseases that comes on the infested area which are very much prone to vector-borne disease such as systematic malaria, etc., based on the geographical map that area. References: Ade Vikas, Farmers' Suicide in Vidarbha region of Maharashtra state, a geopolitical view, Think India journals. Ade Vikas, Farmer Suicide in Maharashtra region of Maharashtra state, a geopolitical view of heritages. Bhagat Ravindra, longitudinal depression characteristics of Wainganga river and natural streams India, our heritages. Bhagat Ravindra and Bisen Devendra 2015 flood study of Wainganga river in Maharashtra using GIS and remote sensing technique, International Journal of Science and Research. Dr. Bisen and Hudnar, a sustainable use and management of water resource of the Wainganga river basin, a traditional management system, figure, journal contribution. 6. Bisen Dr. D.K. and Gina D.K. A geographical analysis of pollution density pattern of Bhandara district and other references in my research paper. I completed my video research paper. Thank you and thank you very much all of you.